This is our first time trying the new automatic thing out. And there it is over there. Dad, turn around to look at it. There it is.
Woohoo! First time, here we go. It's working.
It's working. Let's watch it come down.
I can't wait for the espresso to come out.
Yeah, I hate this.
Come on, come on, come on. Woo! So exciting! There it is. Merry Christmas to April and to me. All my wife will have to do is press a button, and she will have lovely espresso and cappuccino and a macchiato.
I hate this.
I can't wait to taste it. There it goes again. It's working twice because I did a double shot. Let's watch it again. Come on, come to Papa. More espresso. Yes, there it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, more to come later. Coffee deliciousness.